Welcome, dear children. Today you're going to learn English Unit 3 The Legend of Jashwant. This is based on real story. He is our hero in the story, Jashwant Singh Rawat. The place in Arunachal Pradesh named Jashwantgarh get its name from him. I'll narrate the gist of the story, then I'll explain briefly.
Jashwant Singh Rawat, he was an Indian soldier who killed 300 Chinese soldiers in the Battle of Nuranan. There was a war between two countries, India and China, in the year 1962. The battle started on November 17th, 1962, and it continued for 3 days. Nuranang was the last stand for the Indian army. At 5 a.m., the Chinese army started to attack the lonely Indian post Nuranang. Knowing that the Chinese army was stronger, the Indian soldiers were ordered to return due to lack of resources. But Jashwant Singh did not leave his post. He decided to continue the fight. Two tribal girls, Nura and Sela, helped Jashwant. All the three kept shooting on the Chinese army at different spots for 3 days. His intention, Jashwant's intention, was to give the perception that they were facing a huge Indian battalion, and it also worked. The Chinese army decided to cut the food supply to the post. They caught a man and found the truth that there was a single soldier guarding the post. The Chinese army was shocked and furious. They surrounded Jashwant Singh and launched a final attack. Jashwant Singh shot himself by shooting a bullet to his head to prevent his own capture. And a bomb blast killed Sela, and Nura was captured alive. And the important thing is the Indian army still treats Jashwant Singh as a serving officer and awards him promotions.
Let's see briefly, children. Jashwant Singh Rawat was an Indian soldier. The place Jashwantgarh in Arunachal Pradesh gets its name from him. The legendary story, the Battle of Nuranang, handed down through the ages of Nuranang, is inspiring and records the valor and patriotism of Jashwant. Listen, children. Jashwant Singh Rawat, he was an Indian soldier who single-handedly killed 300 Chinese soldiers in the Battle of Nuranang. The place Jashwantgarh, which is in Arunachal Pradesh, gets its name from the legend Jashwant Singh Rawat. He is famous for his valor. What is meant by valor? Great courage, especially in battle. There was a war between India and China in the year 1962. In the final part of the war, Nuranang was the last stand of the Indian army against the Chinese army. The battle started on 17th November 1962 and continued for 72 hours. At 5 a.m. in the eastern Himalayas, the Chinese army attacked the lonely Indian post in Nuranang. Knowing that the Chinese army was stronger, the Indian soldiers on the post were ordered to retreat and regroup. But Jashwant did not leave his post and decided to continue the fight to hold the Chinese until the reinforcements arrived. Listen, children. In the year 1962, there was a war between two countries, India and China. So, Nuranang was the last stand of the Indian army. The battle started at early morning 5 o'clock on 17th November 1962. This Chinese army started to attack the lonely Indian post Noranang. After knowing that the Chinese army was stronger due to the lack of resources, the Indian soldiers on the post were ordered to fall back. The Indian officers, they asked the soldiers to return, but Jashwant did not leave his post and decided to continue the fight. Two girls named Sela and Nura helped Jashwant. They set up weapons at separate points. Jashwant taught the girls to fire guns. All three kept shooting on the Chinese army. Jashwant was running to different gun points and kept shooting. His intention was to give the Chinese army a perception that they are facing a huge Indian battalion. He did this for 3 continuous days. Jashwant and the girls had killed 300 Chinese soldiers. The Chinese army decided to cut the food supply to the post. Listen, children. Two village girls named Sela and Nura. They helped Jashwant. Jashwant, he taught the girls how to fire gun, and they set up weapons at different positions and started shooting. His intention was to give Jashwant Singh Rawat's intention was to give the Chinese army that they are facing a huge Indian battalion. ஸோ அவரோட இன்டென்ஷன் எதுவாக இருந்தது அப்படின்னா சைனீஸ் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஹியூஜ் இந்தியன் ஆர்மியை வந்து ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி அவங்க இன்டென்ஷன் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்றதுக்காக அவர் இந்த மாதிரி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பொசிஷனில் ஃபயர் கன் செட் பண்ணார். He did this for 3 continuous days. They killed 300 Chinese soldiers. So the Chinese army decided to stop the food supply to the post. The Chinese soldiers caught the man who brought food for the three. In the Chinese interrogation, the man told the truth that a single soldier was guarding the post. A single soldier and 2 village girls had fooled the Chinese. They were shocked and furious. They surrounded Jashwant Singh and launched a final attack. So at the Chinese soldiers, they caught the man and found the truth that there was only a single soldier guarding the post. A single soldier and 2 village girls had fooled the Chinese army. So they were shocked and furious. What is mean by furious? Extremely angry. So they surrounded Jashwant Singh and launched a final attack against them. Jashwant shot himself as Chinese were going to capture him. A grenade blast killed Sela. Nura, the tribal girl, was captured alive. So what happened to Jashwant? He killed himself by shooting to his head to prevent his own capture. அடுத்தவங்க பிடிச்சி எதுவும் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் தன்னை தானே சுட்டுக்கிட்டார். Then a grenade blast killed Sela. What is mean by grenade? A small bomb. And Nura, the other girl, was captured alive. After the war, the commander of the Chinese army returned the brass bust of Jashwant. A war memorial with the brass bust was made to remember him and his service to the nation. All army personnel who passed through this memorial pay their respect to him. So after the war, the commander of this Chinese army, he returned the brass bust of Jashwant. What is mean by brass bust? Pittalai Uruvachilai. Uruvachilai means only Marbalavu Uruvachilai. So he returned that, and all army person who pass through this memorial, they'll stand there and they pay their respect, and after that only they used to move from there. The Indian army still treats him as a serving officer and awards him promotions. India awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. Jashwant may have died in battle that day, but he still lives in the memory of people in Jashwantgarh and the Indian army. So the Indian army still they treat him as a serving officer, and they award him promotions also, and he was awarded with the great Mahavir Chakra. Jashwant may have died in battle, but he is still living in the memory of people of Jashwantgarh and also the Indian army. Now let's revise glossary. First one, legend, a story from the past. What is mean by legend? A story from the past. Number 2, Garhwal, an administrative division in Uttarakhand. Administrative means Nirvag. An administrative division in Uttarakhand. Number 3, regroup, to organize in a new tactical formation. To organize in a new tactical formation. To reassemble into a organized groups. Next one, reinforcement, additional army to support. Additional means extra army to support. Monpa tribe, a tribal group in Arunachal Pradesh. A tribal group in Arunachal Pradesh. Battalion, a military unit of 300 to 800 soldiers. A military unit of 300 to 800 soldiers. Interrogation, to question someone aggressively. Aggressively means akroshamag. To question someone aggressively. Brass bust, a statue made of brass depicting a person's head and neck. Brass means pithalai. So, marbalavu uruvachilai. A statue made of brass depicting a person's head and neck. Next, answer the following questions. Where is Jashwantgarh located? Jashwantgarh is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Jashwantgarh is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Number 2, which place was the last stand of the Indian army? Nuranang was the last stand of the Indian army. Nuranang was the last stand of the Indian army. Number 3, when did the Battle of Nuranang start? How long did it continue? The Battle of Nuranang started on 17th November 1962. It continued for 72 hours. The Battle of Nuranang started on 17th November 1962. It continued for 72 hours. Number 4, who helped Jashwant in the battle against Chinese? 2 village girls named Sela and Nura helped Jashwant in the battle against Chinese. 2 village girls named Sela and Nura helped Jashwant in the battle against Chinese. What happened to the 2 girls at the end of the war? A grenade blast killed Sela. Nura was captured alive. A grenade blast killed Sela. Nura was captured alive. Number 6. How was he honored by the Indian government? He was honored with the Mahavir Chakra by the Indian government. He was honored with the Mahavir Chakra by the Indian government. Next, fill in the blanks. Jashwantgarh is named after the Indian soldier Jashwant Singh Rawat. The Chinese troops attacked the lonely Indian post located in Nuranang. Number 3. Jashwant was helped by 2 village tribal girls. Number 4. Jashwant managed to kill 300 Chinese soldiers. Number 5. Jashwant Singh Rawat was awarded Mahavir Chakra. Say true or false. Nuranang is in Himachal Pradesh. False. It is in Arunachal Pradesh. The Battle of Noranang lasted for 3 days. True. Jashwant decided to stay in his post. True. Jashwant was captured alive. False. He shot himself. Number 5. According to the Indian Army, Jashwant is still serving. Yes, true. Next, here they have given jumble sentence. You have to arrange it in the order. So, the first one will be Jashwant stayed back in his post. Number 2, Sela and Nura helped him in the battle. Number 3, he fired weapons from separate points. Number 4, he killed 300 Chinese soldiers in the battle. Number 5, Chinese soldiers caught the man who supplied food. Number 6, Jashwant shot himself to death. Number 7, he was awarded Mahavir Chakra. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.